Okay, this video is reminding us about bisecting arcs and chords. And in this we learned that if a diameter or radius of a circle is perpendicular to a chord, so if this is perpendicular, then we know that it has bisected the chord xy, so x to z here must be congruent to z to y. But not only is the chord bisected, we know that the arc itself has also been bisected, so XB is congruent to BY. And that information comes in handy when we have problems like this. Okay, so we might have a problem like this along these lines, where we're given that the diameter of the circle is 24, that line segment QS is 20, and arc QS is 100 degrees. So maybe they'll ask you about piece QR or piece RS, which of course are each half, since we see that it's being bisected since we have this right angle here. Or they might ask us about the arcs, and we would know that QC and CS have to equal each other because they're also being bisected. So if it's 100 degrees, we'd put 50 degrees with each arc. But more often than not, they're going to ask you about another piece, like maybe the length of BR or maybe RC. Let's say they want to know how long this piece RC is. Well, in order to get that, we've got to figure out this piece over here, because those two pieces together are both parts of the radius. So I've got to try to see what I know. I know that QS the whole way is 20, so halfway is 10. So I can put that 10 in there. And I know if I connect B to Q, it will be a radius of the circle. And if the diameter is 24, that radius has to be 12. So now I have a right triangle. Pull that out over here, where I have a 10, a 12, and an unknown side. So as I solve that, x squared plus 10 squared equals 12 squared. So 144 minus 100. So x squared equals 44. And if I get the square root of 44, that's about 6.6. So x is approximately 6.6. So now I know I've used up 6.6 there. The full radius would be 24. So if I do 24, take away 6.6, I will have the approximate value of 17.4. And that would be my length R to C. So if you watched this video, please look in your book on section 10-3 and comment your answers to problems 18 and 19.